Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I realized I've been on a rose overkill this month, trying to ride on the waves of the Valentine's Day algorithm like the capitalist I am. If you think women are complicated, you certainly haven't tried to understand the algo. Let's put it this way. If men are from Mars and women from Venus, the algorithm is on another galaxy altogether. The thing is, I don't celebrate Valentine's Day, or rather, I've stopped giving any importance to that day itself past my 20s. The problem with this highly commercialized day is that it gives too much societal pressure to both the single and the ones in a relationship. You have to be on a date, or you'd be lonely, or you have to lavish your partner, or it shows you don't care. All these shallow perceptions can easily manipulate the feeble minded. Granted, I have been there in my teens, now I've just got less dams to give as I get older. Truth be told, I'd rather stay at home than to battle through a dinner date which bores me to an unsufferable death, or have no expectations from my partner and vice versa, then it'll just be another ordinary day. I guess I am a cynical romantic. Unless it's a public holiday, I will surely damn well celebrate it. So, we are taking a short break from red roses today, but I do want to give you a heads up that you'll probably see 2 or 3 more pieces with them in the coming week or so. Now that my cynical side have finished my rants, the inner romantic has decided to summon my favorite red umbrella lovers. It's been a while since I've painted them, and an even longer time since I've did a cityscape, so that's the theme for today. To be honest, this piece is a little 50-50 for me. Wasn't exactly going in the direction I was aiming for. So what I had in mind was somewhere along the lines of a moody, romantic European city. If you couldn't tell, I was hoping the lamps would do the trick. But I think the end result looks neither here nor there. Since I'm an opportunist, I've decided to shamelessly capitalize on this painting and just upload it anyway. I hope you like this painting more than I do. Hence, without further ado, let's begin.
Some ancient call that I've answered before. It lives in my walls, and it's under the floor. If knock at my door. I thought I was alone, unaware of what I thought I needed. I dropped like